It's a nice little TV though. What TV is it? Sanyo. I wonder if it's a smart TV. I'm hoping.
I believe it is.
We got this Mac.
Oh, great. Another one that can lay around the house. No, because the other one was shattered.
Yeah. I got the MacBook here though. What is this? Oh, Logitech freaking pedals? Dude, that means there might be some gaming stuff in here then.
Yeah, I wanted to focus on getting this out first after you go through what you need to go through.
I just gotta open some boxes, bro. My application for some boxes, dude. Eee! Come on, girl. Dang, why do you need so much tape for one box? Oh! Oh! We
Ooh.
literally got the whole steering wheel to it that goes with it. And then we got a whole iPad that's probably gonna be iCloud locked, so it doesn't really matter at that point, so I'm not really worried about that. But this, though, we can do something with. It's got the paddle shifters and everything in it. What's that? Oh, it's got the freaking... Oh my gosh, bro. The whole stick shift and everything. This has the whole setup right here. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.